India among top investment markets. BofA sees Rupee bonds gaining from foreign inflows. India is poised to be one of the top 3 Asian markets to attract foreign capital once tariff concerns ease, with the Indian rupee and local currency bonds expected to benefit most, according to BofA Securities. India, within Asia, should be one of the best markets for investments as they have a lot of drivers for growth which other markets do not have. David Honor, head of Global Emerging Markets Fixed Income Strategy at BofA Securities, told Reuters. He noted that, apart from India, Taiwan and South Korea could also see heightened investor interest in the region. The Indian rupee, trading at 85.59 per dollar on Tuesday and remaining largely flat for the year after a 2.9 decline in 2024, is projected to appreciate to 84 against the US dollar by the end of 2025, Honor said. While the rupee could strengthen beyond 84 next year due to a weaker dollar, it is likely to remain near that level as the Reserve Bank of India may continue accumulating foreign exchange reserves, he added. Honor also said a softening dollar and the likelihood of rate cuts across emerging markets could attract more global investors. I would expect that we will receive more inflows from the second half of the year, and we would see more proof that inflation globally is coming down and people will get more comfortable with fixed income, leading to more inflows, he told Reuters. The dollar has weakened, and U.S. bond yields have climbed this year amid concerns that Donald Trump's policy outlook may boost inflation and spark a sell-off in U.S. Treasuries. Despite the optimistic view, foreign investors pulled out over Rs 32,000 crore $3.74 billion from Indian government bonds in April and May, driven by fears over trade tensions. However, Honor believes this trend could reverse as significant capital remains parked in U.S. money market funds and may flow into emerging markets later in 2025. Swipe left for next video. BofA Securities expects the Reserve Bank of India to cut the repo rate by another 50 basis points this year, following 50 bps of reductions already delivered in 2025. Honor favors India's 5-year government bonds, anticipating a 25-50 basis point fall. Indiana bond yields across the curve. On Tuesday, the 5-year bond yield stood at 5.85. Latest blogs.